Hi guys, welcome. I'm Shubham. I'm gonna tell you how to install and run Kafka just within 5 minutes. Yes, you are right. I'm expecting that you must be having some basic idea of what is Kafka, the Kafka producer and consumers. Even if you don't, you will get an idea like how to run and see the Kafka consumer and producer messages. So we'll start. First of all, we need to download the Kafka. So go to the Google. So the first site you will get from the apache.org. You can copy or download any of these mirrors. See, my download has started. So now I have downloaded the tar from the Kafka website. I have extracted into the folder I have created. There is the bin folder created, and under bin folders one Windows folder is also created wherein we can run the bash commands for this Kafka. Now the important aspects of this Kafka is, first of all, we need to run the zookeeper, which is the base for starting the Kafka server. This zookeeper stores all the offsets for the particular topics. Then we need to start the Kafka server. So let's get started. I'm going to start the zookeeper server and after that the Kafka server. For this, Java must be installed in your system. So let's go to the bin and Windows folder of this Kafka. I'll open the command prompt from here. Just type in cmd here and you will get the command prompt. I have pasted all these commands in the description below. You can get all these commands from there. First of all, I'll start the zookeeper server by running this command. So if you get this window, that means our zookeeper server has started. Now let's start the Kafka server. Open another command prompt from here and run this command again. So now if you see, it has created the new log file and this Kafka server is also started. Now our basic setup is done. Our zookeeper server is also running and the Kafka server is running. Now we need to create the topic in order to produce or consume the messages in that particular topic. So this is the command for creating a topic. I'll create a topic with my name. Open another command prompt and go to the Windows folder of that, and here if you see I am creating the topic of my name. Now it says the topic is created and we have called this topic as my name Shubham. Now there are two things. We need to create the consumer and we need to consume the messages from the producer, and in producer we need to send the messages. So this is the command to start the Kafka console consumer program and to which particular topic we need to produce the messages. Open another command prompt, or I'll use this one, and I have to produce the messages to the topic Shubham. So I'll enter that topic name and I'll start the consumer. So this consumer, if you get this arrow, that means that consumer has started. I'll open another command prompt and from there I'll start the consumer program. From here, if you see, I have started the kafka-console-consumer.bat, which is our program for starting the Kafka console consumer. From therein we can start the script, and we are subscribing to the topic Shubham from beginning. Okay, we need to go to the Windows bin and then I'll run the command again. So guys, if you see, I have opened these two screens parallelly, one for the producer, one for the consumer, to show you how this Kafka works. If I am producing messages from here, hey there, how are you doing? You see, that message is consumed and it is shown here. Hey there, how are you doing? We are done. Like, if you see, this is very simple. Within 5 minutes you can learn the Kafka. You can also install the Kafka tool and you can visualize these messages. I have Kafka tool already installed on my machine. You can go to the Google and you can download the Kafka and you can set up the new connection. And I am connecting it to localhost. This connection is successful. If I start my local Kafka, if you see that topic Shubham is created, and if you want to see the messages, you just update it as string, refresh it, there is one message, and if you go to the message, you can see our message is reflected here. I'll show you how to create the producer and consumer programs using Python in the next tutorial. Like and subscribe if you like this.